Hi everyone, today I cannot wait to show you a beautiful Craftsman-style two-story home in Falcon Pointe in Lenexa, Kansas. This home sits on a huge 12,500 square foot corner lot on a cul-de-sac, so you're going to love the privacy and the space that this property offers. You're not going to believe how much house you can get here for $620,000. And be sure and stick around until the end so that you don't miss hearing about all of the new features that this home offers. Hi friends, I'm Sheryl McCormick, a licensed realtor with the #1 ranked Rob Ellerman Team at ReeceNichols Real Estate based right here in Kansas City. On this channel, I help buyers and sellers just like you make smarter real estate moves with neighborhood tours, housing tips, and brutally honest insights. So if you're thinking about making a move in or out of Kansas City or within Kansas City, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss a thing. The home we're touring today is in Lenexa, Kansas. Lenexa is one of the fastest growing suburbs on the Kansas side. With new developments, a beautiful civic campus, and attractions like the Lenexa City Center, it blends modern convenience with community spirit. In Lenexa, you'll find great parks, trails, schools, and homes that are often newer and more spacious for the price compared to Overland Park. And you'll see today just how far your money can go here. So let's get started. Let's start right here at the front entry. You've got this charming, oversized covered porch, perfect for sipping your morning coffee or just watching the neighborhood come to life. As soon as you walk in, you're going to notice how spacious and open the layout feels. Off to the right is the formal dining room, the kind of space that's perfect for holiday gatherings or hosting dinner parties. And I love how much natural light pours in here. Now let's head into the heart of the home, this open great room and kitchen. And this one doesn't disappoint. You've got gleaming hardwood floors, a cozy fireplace with custom built-ins, and plenty of room to relax or entertain. And there's also plenty of natural light pouring in from the wall of windows. The kitchen is also wide open to the living space with tons of cabinetry, a counter bar where you can grab a quick bite, plus a casual eat-in area. And here's the best part. All of the appliances stay, so it's truly move-in ready. Conveniently just off the kitchen is your laundry and mudroom, super functional and tucked right next to the garage entrance. And speaking of the garage, this oversized 3-car garage is a side entry style, so it looks great from the street and gives you plenty of room for cars, storage, or even a workshop. Then to finish off the main level, you've got a convenient half bath and a dedicated office space, perfect for working from home or even a quiet homework room. Or if you don't need a home office, this would also make a great playroom as it's just right next to the kitchen. Now let's move upstairs. Upstairs, you'll find 4 spacious bedrooms, each with tall ceilings, large closets, and their own bath access. 2 of the bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bath. Another has its own private bath. And then, of course, the showstopper, the primary suite. This primary suite is enormous. Not only do you have plenty of space for your bed and furniture, but you also get this bonus sitting area that could be used as a nursery, a second office, or even a workout room. The primary bath feels like a retreat with dual sinks, a large walk-in shower, and a huge walk-in closet, which is definitely a huge plus. Downstairs, the basement is partially finished and ready for fun, and this area is truly special. There's a custom bar that makes this space perfect for a man cave or a game day hangout spot. Just picture yourself watching your favorite movie here. This space offers so many options. What would you use it for? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this unique space. And there's still tons of unfinished space in the lower level for storage or for future expansion. Now let's head outside. The backyard is fully fenced with mature trees and a brand new covered patio. Whether you're entertaining friends or just enjoying a quiet evening, this outdoor space is a huge bonus. And another bonus, some of the big updates have already been done for you. This home has a new roof, a new fence, freshly carpeted stairs, newer paint, and manicured landscaping. And being in Falcon Pointe, you get amazing neighborhood amenities like a pool, nearby golf courses, and easy access to the Lenexa City Center, where you'll find shops, restaurants, and entertainment. This home has plenty of space, updates, charm, and an amazing location in booming Lenexa at a great price. Now let's take a drive around this neighborhood so that you can get a feel for this beautiful area. So, what do you think? What do you love about this home? Or what changes would you make? Again, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you want to learn more about Lenexa or any other Johnson County suburb, request my free Johnson County relocation guide. Just comment guide below and I'll send it straight to your inbox. If you're considering a move to Kansas City or anywhere within the Kansas City area, let's talk. I'd love to help you narrow down the perfect suburb for you, show you around, and make the whole process stress-free. Whether you're planning to move in 9 days or 90 days, I'd love to help you find your perfect home in your perfect neighborhood at your perfect price point. Just give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or just scan the QR code to schedule a quick Zoom chat. Let's talk about your goals. Thanks so much for watching Living in Kansas City. I'm Sheryl McCormick with the #1 Ranked Rob Ellerman Team at ReeceNichols Real Estate. Hit like if you found this video helpful, and please subscribe so that you never miss a Kansas City update. I'll see you next time. Till then, stay safe, stay curious, and stay tuned for more exciting tours and real estate insights about Kansas City to come.